Hello, it is I, Senior Chemical Junior.
And Senior Chemical!
Yeah, Senior Chemical's out there. And, we're in a beehive. See? Beehive. 100% beehive. Beehive. Oh, honey.
Chemical Junior, want to come out of the beehive and play tag with us?
Oh yeah, but first, let's give them a tour. Let's give them a tour of Mountain Nature.
Okay.
You're wondering how we just got from a beehive. It's a pretend beehive. Anyways, okay. I got him! Whoa!
Okay, stop filming now.
You and Poo Fowl. This is the whole Mountain Nature Park. There's them.
Is he still filming?
The mushroom thing that you can slide on. More mushrooms. And then up here. Slide. There's a telescope. And then there's a climbing place. And this is my favorite part of the slide. Be videotaping. Well, I go to my favorite park. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! 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 Here we are. There they are. And then there's a bunch of these cave things. Okay, up here. This you can get on. I'm on. Okay. And these you can hop on. Mushroom land. Stop. And that's the mushroom that you can spin on. You spin jam it up. Okay. This is the mushroom that you can spin on. I'm too small to reach it, so I'm gonna. Oh, and this is one of my favorite parts too. The telescope here. You probably can't see it. And then there's a fly. That you can ride. Get it, fly! And then the last place I wanted to show you is my favorite. The telescope part. Huh? So peaceful. There's a boathouse. Leave in the comments below if you see any deer. There are some ducks. You may see them, you may not. Probably won't since I don't see them. Okay, this concludes our video. So leave in the comments below if you like that video. So Senior Chemical Jr. out, signing off from